In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Cloudflare with your HostGator domain. This can enhance your website's performance, security, and overall reliability. So let's dive in and walk through this process step by step. First, we'll begin by either signing up for a new Cloudflare account or logging into an existing one. To do this, head to the Cloudflare website. If you already have an account, simply enter your credentials and log in. Otherwise, take a moment to sign up by providing the necessary details. Cloudflare is a powerful tool for managing your website's content delivery, ensuring faster load times, and protecting against online threats. So setting up an account is a worthwhile investment of your time. Once you're in, you'll need to add your domain to Cloudflare. Start by entering your domain name when prompted. Cloudflare will then kick off a scan of your DNS records. This is automated magic that helps import your existing settings seamlessly, so you don't have to manually enter every detail. It's really convenient and saves you a lot of effort. After the scan is complete, Cloudflare will provide you with a set of name servers. These are unique to your domain and synchronize your settings with their system. You'll want to copy these name servers exactly as they appear. It's crucial to avoid any typos here to prevent any issues with connectivity later on. Now let's switch over to your HostGator account. You'll need to log into your HostGator customer portal. Once you've logged in, navigate over to the domain management section. This is where you'll manage your domain settings, including editing name server information. In the domain management area, locate and select the domain you're working with. You'll notice fields where your current name servers are listed. Carefully remove these existing name servers. Now paste the new Cloudflare name servers you copied earlier into the corresponding fields. It's important to ensure these are pasted accurately, as incorrect name servers can lead to interruptions in your website's availability. With the new Cloudflare name servers in place, go ahead and save your changes. Now, it's a bit of a waiting game as you allow time for DNS propagation to occur. This propagation period can vary. Sometimes it's as quick as a couple of hours, while other times it might stretch up to 48 hours. During this time, your domain will gradually switch over to the new settings across the internet. And there you have it. By the end of this process, your domain should be fully integrated with Cloudflare, providing your visitors a faster, more secure browsing experience. Don't forget to check back in a day or so to ensure everything is functioning smoothly. Thanks for following along and happy optimizing.